Futures data is free. Nope, not clickbait. And this is not some alternative data feed. We're talking about raw, authentic data provided by the exchanges themselves, the thing that people pay hundreds of dollars for a year. And no, not just level 1, but level 2 free. And the best part, I'm going to show you how it's done in 2 steps. And in exchange to saving you a wad of cash, I'm hoping that you might tap that like button so that other people know about this. And tell me, I'm super curious how much money you currently pay for data and how much money you just saved in the comments below. Now, we're not going to pad this video with a lot of fluff. We're going to get right down to it. In fact, did you not notice there wasn't an ad in front of this video? In fact, there wasn't an ad in front of the 141 others that we have on this channel. So are you ready to start saving some money? Now there are 2 steps, or should I say requirements. Some of them you might already have done, but step number 1 is you must have an Interactive Brokers account. Now let me make one thing clear. This is not a sponsored video and this is not a recommendation to use a certain broker. I'm just telling you the steps to get free futures data. Now here's the big news. Interactive Brokers always had a $10,000 US minimum, and a lot of people knew that they required a high balance in order to open up an account. Now this was awesome in my opinion because it kept out the fly-by-night sort of trader, and the platform felt like it was designed for those of the more serious type. However, IB has rebranded itself into being more of like an everyone brokerage now, and you now know what the minimum is? 0. Yes, you can open up an account and not put a dime in it. So step number 2 is to actually subscribe to the futures data. Now, here's your option. You cannot place any trades with Interactive Brokers, and it's going to cost you $1.25 a month for your futures data. But wait, you're like, I thought it was free. And you're right. If you hit $20 in commissions, they waive your data fees. Now, for a lot of you, $20 in paying commissions is not going to be a lot of money. So for most of you, let's just say 80%, 90%, do I dare say, it's free at this point. But like I said, you can always put in a few bucks and just pay the $1.50 if you don't want to trade with them, still get the data. See, a lot of people rack up data feeds because they don't get the non-pro data even though they qualify for it, or they don't decide to go with a brokerage to do it and they open up an account with a data provider and then they have to pay a flat fee on top of that. They end up racking up a whole bunch of data fees. This is going to be a way that you can avoid those fees. In fact, you can pay nothing as long as you do your $20 a month in commissions. And since that's quite an easy target for a lot of you guys, that's probably nothing that you need to worry about. So that's how you do it. I mean, a lot of people don't even know this. They're paying buckets for data and you just don't need to be.